Well, we're delighted to be asked back for the show this year as well because it's a very, very popular show. I'm going to be mentoring Maria Butterley this year. She's a fine young singer and has done a lot of work overseas and stuff as well, trying to make it as well. So we're delighted to help her on her way, and she's a great artist. The advice I give to any young singer coming into the music industry is be prepared for a lot of hard work and away from home a lot. I'm quite lucky that I'm single as well because I've no commitments at home or no children and stuff like that, so that's a good thing to be like that as well, and be prepared to work very hard. I love to keep fit. I love going jogging or cycling or swimming. I'd love to kind of keep myself in kind of a bit of shape, some kind of a shape. I don't know if that's a good shape or a bad shape, but in shape. Yeah, well, the boys in the background here are getting set up. We're doing a bit of sound check first of all, and then we'll have a dress rehearsal later on and live to air then later on this evening as well. So we're looking forward to performing and getting the people all tuned in as well. I hope they all enjoy it. Yeah, 14 songs altogether and a duet among that as well with Maria Butterley as well. So we're looking forward to performing and looking forward to the listeners enjoying the show. Yeah, well, I used to be a chef before I started singing. So in my spare time now, recently I've kind of started doing more and more cooking and experimenting with foods and stuff like that as well. So I enjoy that. It's a good pastime as well. It's Mr. John McNicholl, August Montagnev, Aston Cool.